So you want to start making some AI money in 2025? Well, now we're going to dive into the screen with some proof that is actually doable by selling AI systems and AI infrastructures to local businesses in 2025. And now in just a second, I'll be going through the couple niches, how you can start, different ways of outreach and finding clients. But first, let me just show you some proof that this is not a screenshot. This is an actual Stripe dashboard of my business deposits. We've done over $3.57 million in the last 3 years between my marketing agency as well as my AI automation agency. And as you can see now, let's just click on this right here to show you that it's not a screenshot. And let me just go to May 1st or May 2nd, click on apply here, and it's 3.57 million. So this is just some proof that I'm not just some random guru out there, just like everybody else showing fake screenshots. Is an actual live dashboard. So without further ado, let's dive into how we can actually start an AI automation agency in 2025. Let me just first introduce myself. My name is Hugo Wong. I've been fortunate enough to generate over multiple 7 figures and gotten a couple awards. And I was also fortunate enough to be invited to a 9-figure company to give an interview and to talk about how to grow a marketing and AI automation company. And I was actually a construction worker 3 years ago, laying concrete and cement, getting paid $300 a month. And that's why I had to figure a way out. So I'm just like everybody. I had no tech background. I didn't get started with any business connections. So home services is the best niche to start diving into when you first start an AI agency. And we'll be diving into the reasons why. But first of all, is that all home service businesses desperately need leads and appointments. And in just a second, I'll be talking about the difference between leads and appointments. And second of all, they already value speed and convenience. And third of all, they usually close high ticket jobs. So just a few bookings for their business will get them a high return on investment. All right, so now let's dive into the top tier niches and why we should choose them and why we should start outreaching to these businesses to sign as clients. And the first niche is roofing, because each roofing client is worth at least 5K to 30K. And it's really urgency driven, which means that whenever there's a disaster, whenever something happens, people need to feel safe and they need to have their roof redone or upgraded. And there's lots of existing demand on Facebook ads. And the reason why I wanted to outline this is because we'll be using Facebook ads to find these clients in just a second. And I'll be showing you exactly how to. And the average job for roofing is around $10,000 to $25,000. When was the last time you need to get your roof repaired, right? It's usually around 1 to 3K in repairs, and you can usually pay around 5 to multiple 5 figures. The customer lifetime value estimate, which means every single customer that a roofing business gets is usually worth around 12 grand to 30 grand over the course of that customer's lifetime. They might not spend 12 grand or 30 grand right off the bat, but they'll probably spend that over the span of their entire life. That's what customer lifetime value means. Most homeowners only replace the roof once every 20 to 30 years, but referrals are super common. So when you get a roofing business a client, this usually trickles down to more clients and more money being made. So imagine you just getting that roofing business, one client, that'll be worth at least 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand, right? So that's why a lot of our students are really succeeding in reaching out and getting roofing clients. And most of their AI automation agencies are just helping roofing businesses get more clients and automate their systems. All right, so now let's move on to the next best niche, which is HVAC, heating and cooling, right? So it's seasonally urgent, which means when the summer comes, people probably need to get their AC fixed or upgraded. Same goes for the winter time. And it's really usually high ticket installs and recurring maintenance, which means you pay a large upfront fee and then you pay like a monthly fee for someone to come in to repair or maintain your HVAC. And the average job value in the HVAC industry is around 6 to 12 grand, with around $100 to $400 in repairs and maintenance. And the customer lifetime value is 8 grand to 20 grand, which means if you get that HVAC business one client, that's worth at least 8 to 20 grand to them. So they could just pay you a percentage or a small amount of that amount that they made as commissions, and that will just be a win-win situation for you. All right, so this moves on to the next kind of best niche, which is plumbing. The average job value for the plumbing industry is around $150 to $1,000 per visit for repairs, and around $5,000 to $20,000 for the repiping, for water heater replacement. So a lot of customers probably need to get multiple things done. So if you get a plumbing business, one client, this will be usually worth 5 to 15 grand for them. So imagine them paying you just like 2 to 3 grand just for you finding them one customer, right? So plumbing clients often return multiple times over 10 years. And their clients often have a lot of emergencies plus a lot of urgency, which enables that plumbing business to charge them premium pricing. It also has a lot of emergency services, just like fast booking, and it's very great for our method of getting these clients, which is an AI dialer, which we'll be talking about in just a second. So for solar panel installers, the average job value for that is usually around 15K to 30K. And the reason why I'm showing you these different niches and showing you what the average job is, because whenever you get this business one client with our AI system and AI infrastructure, with 15 to 30 grand for them is revenue, and these businesses will be willing to pay you a small percentage of that as an upfront fee or as a monthly fee. So that's why it's a lucrative business to get into, because most of these businesses tend to be not so caught up with the AI trends and technology, and some of them might not even know about technology or know how to use the internet. So this creates the perfect opportunity for you to come into their business and use AI to help them get more clients, and as well qualify these clients with our AI dialer system, which we'll be talking about in just a few seconds. So imagine just getting this solar panel business, one customer, they'll be able to pay you at least, $5 grand, just for acquiring those customers for them. And that's why it's such a lucrative business to get into in 2025. All right. Kitchen and bathroom remodelers are also very great businesses to go for. I know a few kitchen and bathroom remodelers myself, and they're making over 200 grand a month. So imagine you just getting them a few more clients using your AI system, which a lot of them will be open to because a lot of them have not heard about AI or do not know how to use the internet. And on top of that, these are usually big ticket projects, like 15 to 50K, depending on how rich that homeowner is. And the customer lifetime value is around 20 to 50 grand. So really kind of similar to the solar industry. All right. So most people do one major remodel per space or per year, and it's great for upselling. You can upsell like toilets, appliances, countertops. So it's a very lucrative business as well to get into. So before we get into that, let's talk about the problems that most of these businesses face, because before we offer our solution to them, we need to know what their problem is so then we can better present it to them. So it's more likely for these businesses to say yes to you when you say your price tag, which is around 5 to 10K per project. All right. So before we start, every single business needs customers. Most local businesses like roofers, HVAC, or plumbers don't know how to use the internet properly to get those customers, but all of these businesses need customers down to their core. All right. That's where you come in. All right. Because they don't know how to use the internet, or they don't know about the AI trends. They don't know about the latest technology. You can come in and you're going to help these local businesses get more clients using AI. All right. And you don't need to be technical. You're not building robots or coding anything. And you're just going to use AI and help these businesses get more customers. And here's how it works. All right. So part one, we're going to use AI ads to bring in leads for our client. All right. So we use something called an AI powered tool to run Facebook and Instagram ads for them. All right. These tools make it easy. You don't have to write the ads or come up with the creative ideas. AI does all of that for you. The ads get people to click on and fill out a form. I'm going to be showing you in just 2 seconds what that form looks like. All right. And this is what the ads look like. These are all made by AI. So imagine this one. This is a ketchup ad, and this is a lawn remodeling or a landscaping ad. Hey, Mike, let me give you 15% off. This is an ad made entirely with AI. Let's say a local ad run on Facebook for, let's say, Toronto, East York, Toronto, plumber. Our services are these. You just simply run this as a picture ad on Facebook to get clients for that plumbing business. Don't wait until too late, right? This is a roof remodeling or an upgrade or a roof replacement, right? You can just run these simple ads. Once you've signed that business as a client, let's say you want to go for a solar business as your first client who's going to pay you 10 grand a month. What you're going to do is going to run Facebook ads that look exactly like this on behalf of them, so you get them customers. All right. Because most of them don't know how to do that. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to use that ad, run that on Facebook. And these are real people who are going to click on it, who will want a quote and who will want and need a call or a service, right? So that's what we do first. That's part one of our job. All right. Now let's move on to part two. Now is the time where we actually build out the AI dialer. All right. So now let's say the ad worked, right? A homeowner sees it, clicks it, and fills out their information, name, phone number, what service they need. Great, right? But here's the thing. If nobody contacts that person right away, they move on, right? They'll go call someone else. They'll go on Google. They'll go on YouTube. They'll forget that they ever filled out that form. And this is where we come in, right? This is the biggest mistake most local businesses make. They wait hours, sometimes days before calling the lead. And by then it's too late. The lead has gone cold, and you can't really contact a cold lead because they forgot about you. They don't even know who you are. They either forget, they're busy, or assume it wasn't serious. So it's super important for a business owner to reach out to that customer as soon as they fill out their info. All right. This is called speed to lead. That's why most leads go cold. And that's why ads don't work for most businesses, but it will work for us because we're going to be building this AI dialer to reach out to them immediately. All right. Imagine an AI versus a human. A human takes breaks. A human needs to go on vacation. A human needs to eat lunch. But an AI dialer, which we're going to build for them, is never going to take a break. They work 24/7, 365 days every single year. All right. And this is where the AI dialer comes in. All right. So pay attention here and take some notes because it's going to be super important. All right. So instead of relying on businesses and the business owner to call the lead, we let AI do it automatically. The second the form is submitted, our system instantly sends a text or makes a phone call to the customer saying, "Hey, Joe, this is a scheduling system from Johnson Plumbing. Just saw you were looking for help with a leaking sink. Want to book a free quote this week," right? And Joe's going to be like, "Hey, yeah, I'm free tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. There we go. The AI has done the job for us. We didn't have to do anything. All right. And why is this speed so important? And why is it so powerful? Because most people choose the first business that reply. If you call back within 60 seconds, you're 21 times more likely to close that lead. And this is not based on theory. This is based on a real study by Harvard Business Review. All right. People trust the business that responds the fastest. And if your AI dialer is the first one to text or call, you win the job before anyone else even replies. Right. So that's a win for us. Right. AI handles everything while you sleep. The best part is that this actually happens automatically. You don't need to be there. The business doesn't need to chase leads. The AI that we built for them is going to follow up 24/7, day, night, weekends, and even holidays. It sends messages, answers basic questions, and even gets them to book a time on the calendar, all right? And once the customer has booked in a time in the calendar with us, that's our job done. We finished our job and we get paid already. Now this leads up to our final job. And by the way, great news, we don't have to do anything in this step. All right, at this point, the job is halfway done. Now all the business owner needs to do is get on the call, give them a quote, and close a deal. All right, you brought them a real customer. That's why they'll happily pay you 5 to 10 grand up front. Because imagine, look at all the niches that we talked about just now. These are like 5 to 30 grand deals per customer, right? So imagine them paying you just like 5 to 10K up front for you getting them multiple customers every single month. All right, that's the beauty of this offer, and that's why this is so important. And which leads me to my next point, which a lot of people start asking me: how do I find AI automation or AI agency clients? All right, well, there are two ways, right? There are two ways. The first way is paid. We actually spend our own money to find these clients. All right, we'll dive into that. And number two is the free way. How do we actually get these clients for free? Well, let's first dive into the paid way because a lot of our students are seeing success with this method right here. All right. So you might be wondering, hey, once we get on the sales call with this customer with the plumbing business, how do I actually get them to pay me? Right? You don't just sell that system. You actually use it for yourself. That's how you will know you will get results for your clients no matter what. You might be thinking, hey, I'm not confident that I'll be able to get this client results. Well, here's why you will. For example, let's say you're targeting landscaping companies. You want to sign your first landscaping company and you want to sign your first client and you decided that you're going to be in the landscaping niche. You can use a tool like Arcads.ai or Creatify to instantly generate a Facebook ad that says something like, hey, landscaping business owners will bring you an extra 15 to 30 new qualified customers in the next 90 days, or you don't pay, or we'll continue working with you until you do. Then you run that Facebook ad as a video ad, right? It takes 2 minutes and it gets landscaping business owners to click, fill out their info, and book a call with you. All right, this is all done with Facebook ads. All right, you run Facebook ads. Let's say you spend $20 a day on Facebook ads to get these clients. And after that, you're gonna have a client who's gonna book in with you and hop on a call with you. All right, now this makes the sales call way easier because when you get on the call with this business owner and you're about to ask them to pay you $10,000, they're going to ask you, hey, my first question is, how do I know this will work for my business, Hugo? And that's when you show them the ad that you used to get them on the call. You say, well, it's already worked. You're here right now because of the AI ad that you saw that I ran, right? So what we'll do is we'll set this up for you to work for your business too. Now your customers will be the ones clicking, booking, and buying from you. And most of them will just jump on that offer because it worked on them. That's why the question that they just asked is irrelevant. You don't pay us until your phone starts ringing with real customers. This is a great offer that a lot of our students are rocking with right now, who's making an extra 3K to 5K a month just by selling AI infrastructure. So that's the paid way on how to get clients. Now, what's the free way? Well, the free way is just posting content, right? Posting YouTube content, just sharing your knowledge on how you've built an AI agent to do this specific task. Let's say you built an automation to automate LinkedIn outreach or maybe even Facebook ads or content creation. You can just demonstrate that and share your knowledge on how you built that. And then people will start clicking on your video and start booking a call with you on how you did it so then you can do it for them as well. Now, I gotta say, this method will take a little longer. That's why a lot of our students tend to use the paid way. That's why they get clients fast and they can see data fast. But if you have more time than money, then I recommend you just making content. This could even be TikTok posts, Twitter posts, Facebook posts, just documenting how you made this AI agent so then they can start booking a call with you so they can pay you to implement this AI system for them. And some of our students are seeing 6-figure deals being signed inside the community just by using this method, because most of the times a lot of businesses are able and ready to spend at least 6 figures to over 7 figures on AI development in their business. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to come in and start charging them 5 to 10 grand per project on the low end to get this implemented for these businesses. So if you want some extra help and you want to start accelerating your AI agency growth in 2025, and you're open to allowing my team and I to help you build an AI agency from scratch and scale it to 10K a month, then click on the link down in the description down below to book a call with my team and I, and we'll see if we're a great fit. And if we aren't, you'll still walk away from the call with tons of value and tons of resources that will help you start an AI automation agency. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.